Hello everyone, Teacher Li Ping here. I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you for watching. I'm so excited to see you again. Today I'm going to share some common English words in Chinese. It is also known as loanwords in Chinese. Have you ever curious about the interconnections in different languages? Although there are huge differences in languages and cultures between different countries, their people's languages have always influenced one another. I feel that different languages and cultures are connected in some way. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. The first word, coffee. 咖啡, 咖啡, 咖啡. The second word, chocolate. 巧克力, 巧克力, 巧克力. Salad. 沙拉, 沙拉, 沙拉. Next one, pizza. 披萨, 披萨, 披萨. Curry. 咖喱, 咖喱, 咖喱. Alright, next one, pudding. 布丁, 布丁, 布丁. Next one, whiskey. 威士忌, 威士忌, 威士忌. Next one, sandwich. 三明治, 三明治, 三明治. Next one, toast. 吐司, 吐司, 吐司. The last one, cheese. 芝士, 芝士, 芝士. Alright friends, this is all for today's video. As you can see, these are all food related vocabularies. If you want to learn some other long words in Chinese, please leave a comment down below. I will make another video if you are interested in this topic, alright? Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any other questions or if you need any other help. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!